Hi guys, I want to tell you that I've been not been uploading videos lately because of I was busy in something else and I also want to do video, but I could not I could not because of very much work. So I want to tell you just it's the day 3 of doing Leetcode. So let's go. Let's start Leetcode. So as I've been not been doing Leetcode for at least let's say 20 days it happened. So what I want to do is I want to just revise today and nothing else. First I will revise for let's say 1 hour, then I can say then I will start study from there. Okay, so let's go. Productivity, super productivity. Okay, sound is coming, so let's go. So sound is coming, so let's go. Let's see what I can do this. Hello, hello. Okay, sound is coming. So let's revise lead code questions that I have done because I have not been actually doing anything for a while. I was not connected to any lead code or any exercise. I think I have not done for at least 20 days or 15 days. I think I have not been touching anything. So let's go. Let's start from today only. Okay, not interested. I'm not broad, bro. Let's say from where I have started, I will start from there. Huh? Let's go. Let's start. I think I can do it if I. Mm, mm, but just I have to revise it, bro. Start recording, download. My GPU is making the work. Eh? What happened? What happened to one node? Hello. Why is one node not working? One node is fraud, bro. Not normally, bro. What is happening? What what is this? Hmm. I've been taking 8 minutes and doing nothing, bro. No. Let's practice it what I have done. Oh, third question. The topic the topic was linked list. Leetcode. This platform. Yes, this was this question, I think. Let's go start from here. What is the first question? Just tell me. Question name, reverse linked list. Okay. It's taking so much RAM. My computer is lagging, I think. Yes, it is lagging. I don't know why it is lag. What I have to do here is I have to make first previous node, I think. Previous equals to null add first thing car equals to add. I actually think I forgot. Well, just I have to see how I have to learn list node star current. Okay, well, just let me. Okay, I understand it. I think I have to write list node. That's why I think it was confusing for me. List node star first add list node star prev equals to null list forward equals to null also. I have to write this condition. Was that while current I forgot how I have to do it. While current is not equals to null, I think because we have to move to next previous will or curve will move forward, I think. Equals to previous. Crave equals to crave. No, current equals to previous. Current, sorry, current next will point to previous. Current next will point to previous, and previous will move forward. Okay. And what will happen is forward will also move forward. Curve will finally become forward. No, return me current. No, return me previous because it will not be null. I think I am missing something. God, something I'm doing correct or not. Eh? Yes. But 5 4 3 2 1. Why? What I have to do something like this that previous I have to move forward. Let's say previous is here. Previous will move forward and current will points towards previous. What I am missing here? Hmm. Previous is pointing to null. No, previous is not pointing to null. This previous is first pointing to null. Then previous will move forward. Huh? Current next equals to previous. Okay. Equals to current. What I am doing wrong? Okay, install this in wherever yeah, you like. Let's say this. No. Make new folder. Make new folder. Only I'm missing something. First highways will move to here. Current is pointing towards head. Okay. And current next is pointing previous. Okay. So previous is not going forward, I think. That's what problem is. Eh? Wheel points towards forward, let's say. Then what will do event? Hmm. Previous, here is problem, I think. Current next is point towards previous. Okay, let's say current is here. Here is a current next at point towards previous. Previous equals to null and previous equals to current, obviously. What is done here? Forward. Forward will move towards current next. Current next will point toward forward. Oh my god. What I'm doing wrong. So I have to first specify forward next. All it will be showing previous only. I understand now. No, let's say first I have to specify forward because it will be doing wrong only. Forward, current next, and current next will point toward previous. Okay, and previous will move to current, and current. This will show right answer, I think. Yes, I think mine is correct. Yeah, then I will go through how to find the middle of the linked list. Okay. those. I think I need to install this one. Meta charge बिल आ गया था. They said made it open source. Flow equals to add path is not equals to null. Hmm. Path is path that that ends low low next. Return low. I've done wrong. List node is task, while fast is not equals to run. Okay, I have to return the middle. Sorry, not fast, it will be. While fast next is not equals to null. This is also done. Hmm. जय जयकार के देना साथ हमारा जय जयकार जय जयकार साथ मेरे साथ downloaded also boy. लेके दाও আমি খেয়ে নিবো কখন দিবি কোথায় দিয়ে তুমি আমাকে দিয়ে দাও আলাদা বাটিতে what is this bro why is the eraser not working Control E, Shift Control P. P. What is this, bro? Eh, No, I don't need this. All this. Uninstall this product. No. Okay, yes. Not on it. This is a product. My God. Size is above 100. No. Let's use this only. It is a 100 MB app. I can manage it. First, I will do this question. List node star. Let's start with slow. It is same like that only while past is not person. So far written. Oh, okay, understand it now. I have to do something here. Return false. Done. To change this background something. Can you make this broad for but somehow setting reference to this black. Let's go. Let's see what I have to do in palindrome. Okay, those. Bye, fine. Okay, first I have to make it half. Okay, then I have to reverse it. Okay, once I reverse it, then I think I will compare it. Okay, first I have to reverse it. Hmm. Once I reverse it, okay, middle, yeah, okay, let's do now. Okay. While working on note only if it is working. Start fast equals to hard. The fast by 2x and move the slow by 1x. What I have to do is return once I have to able to return slow, then what I have to do is I have to reverse it. So let's make a reverse function. To make it bool function or normal public boolean public only. Okay. I have to use list node. Here I will write true or false. Okay. Public list start reverse. And once I move to reverse, I have to give it list node. Once node random list plus I have to use reverse previous current and forward. While current not equal to null, give me prewords. Hmm? While current is not equals to null, give me prewords. But how I have to do it? First, I have to make the forward Move to current next and move the current towards forward. Current current next towards previous and previous goes to cur- current and current will go to forward. I have to return previous actually because current will become null once return. So make it reverse flow. Okay, once you do it, okay, once I do next. Okay, I now understand this. While slow, no, so that's a null, and then okay, wait, move head towards head next, slow towards slow next, return slow towards null. My God, this is correct. What I have done is what I have done reverse of slow, and once slow reaches null, the slow reaches 1 by 1 point and had also reached, and I can compare it. The reverse value once both reaches null, then I can say this is true. Let's take a break for a few minutes. Let's start this. अरे आम्ही ठंडा खाबो ना तो आधा आधा दी कॉम मिलाओ. Hello, let's start this video again. I've been wasting my time for 1 hour, I think. I don't think that I've done what I can do. Second one. I think I have not done English cycle too. कहता भाई मम्मा ढक्कन मम्मा आइटा Linkless cycle 2. I solved this question, but I'm forgetting how I have done this. Let's think again and do this. Let's say I do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, can do this. It is saying 3, 2, 0, and 4 minus 4 and the difference going from here. Let's say 3, 2, 0, and minus 4. I have to find, given that I want to return this, where the size begin. Position 1. So what I have to, there is no cycle in the link list. Eh? There is cycle in the link list. I think I have to think a little bit. I have done this question somewhere. I'm not getting it. Let's see how I will do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's say my first slow starts from here and fast starts from there. Fast moves there, slow moves here. Fast moves here, slow moves here. Fast moves here, slow moves here. So here the both meets. Okay. Once this both meets, I can say uh, slow reaches here, slow entry, entry. I will move entry by one, entry next. तो क्या होगा स्लो नेक्स्ट को मूव करेगा ठीक है और मुझे पता है और ये जब तक चलेगा while slow is not equals to entry so I can say if slow let's say I can do this questions like head this node star row also head. Let's say I also make the entry point or say current if I can choose. I can say the first or entry. Let's say first while the first so it's not. But how I will initialize it, I am not able to think, but how I will start from here. Let's say how I will move it, how I will move the slow. I know there is a circle in it. Okay, there is no circle written false. So I think I can do this, but I am thinking too much right now. While let's say I will do the same. If not, it is null. So equals slow. Next and next it moves by 2x. If fast moves by 2x, slow. Okay, fast here, slow here. If slow equals to fast, why fast equals to rest, why slow is while slow is not equals to fast, move it by one, move the first by next. First. While slow is not equals to fast, if slow equals to fast, fast equals to head. While slow is not equals to fast, fastness, no slowness. Okay. I have to was unwritten null if nothing is there. Oh my god, I can do it. And slow, while slow is not equals to first, move the slow and give me the return slow. Suppose if nothing seems to work, then return null. What the solution I have given before? An accepted solution before this combination. It's okay. What is this? How much is different from mine? Okay, it is literally same. You can say return slow or return fast. Anything works from here. Okay, okay. I think I am doing good right now. How to delete node in a linked list? How to delete node? To delete a node in it. I think you have understand this music application may you. I think I have learned here how to delete it. So, potential node, deleted node in the link list. Okay, so there is given node is given. There is single link and we want to delete a node in it. You are given the node to be deleted. You will not given access to the first node we had. Okay. All the value of the linked list are unique. It is guaranteed that the given node is not the last node. It is guaranteed that the given node is not the last node in the linked list. Delete the given node. Note that by deleting the we will not mean removing it. For me mean the value of the given node should not exist in the list. Number of node in it should decrease by one. All the before nodes should be in the same order. All the value after node. Okay. For the input, you should provide the entire linked list head and nodes to be on. Node should not be the last node of the layer. Should 4, 5. Okay. 5 value is given. So I have to delete 5. Okay. So I have to delete 1. Say no. No. I have to delete 1. So 4, 5, 9. And here I have to delete 5 for 1. And it becomes for 1 after falling. What he has done here. So equals to head equals to head and head. When Java there no reference to a garbage selector will take it off. Delete third from linked list. Okay. So what it is saying here, head and posy, but there is only node given. Let's say this is node of given. How I can remove a node 4519, 4519, 419, 4519, 419. It's saying 459. Value is given 5. I have to delete this so that it becomes 419. So what I can do is, okay, I think I can traverse. Let's say my starts from here. Let's say past starts from here. Okay. No, sorry. I have to erase this. For let's say 4, 5, 1, 9. Okay. Let's say start first starts from here. Then it will move into 1x. Once first moves here. Nee, first I will compare node with this compare value. Okay. If 5 matches value, then what I can do is I can point the 5 to, let's say, 5 to null. I can point this to 5 to null. And I can point this to next. So it can point here. Ah, me to पढ़े है वो. It can point here. I have to remove this and remove that. But how can I do this? What he has done this is node previous equals to head. Okay. Head value is given in node or delete node. Delete node start is using for loop. I can't understand what he's saying in Fuzzy. If position equals to 0, then head equals to head next. Let's say position is given to us. Position equals to 0. Huh? Current and list node stars. Let's say forward. It moves to null. List node star rev will move to null. 0. It is giving me value, not the values. Okay, it is giving me the no point I equals to 0. I is less than, or is I is less than. So first I have to find the position, but how I will find the position? Okay, I have to find the position first. While current is not equals to null, what I can do here is, let's say while my current is not equals to null, but equals to cur next and cur, let's say I can take another variable. Let's say int pose equals to 0. I can say pose equals to not plus plus. My pose will increase by 1. Let's say it starts from here. The current next and pose plus plus means 1. Then plus 1. Okay. And once my pose is found, what he has done is, once my position is found, let's say I can say here 1, 2, 3. I have to remove 15th value. Let's say it is saying I have to remove the third value. Okay. Once I get this value fifth, third, then I can do is uh, uh, mm, ঠিক আছে 10 15 once delete third element from linked list. I have to remove this 0 1 2 3 for end I equals to 0. I is less than, let's say my pose is 3. So 2 0 1. Rev, what is rev? I am getting confused, boy. For end I 0, I is less than cos minus 1. Let's say my pose is 3. My pose becomes here 0 1 2. Let's say my pose is 2. So what I want to do is I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus ही होगा. Hmm. For int I equals to 0. I'm getting confused in this, how it is done. Previous equals to previous next. Let's say I start from here 0. Okay, then previous. What is my previous? My previous is head. Okay. Okay. So what it is doing here is posy minus 1. Let's say posy is 3. I have to remove this value 0, 1, 2, 3. Previous, again I'm getting that head equals to head next. Okay. Then head equals to head next. Let's say 3. So 5, once it goes here, 0, it goes here. It goes from, let's say 2. So it goes from 1, 0, 1, 0. Huh? So it will move 0 and 1. It will stop here. 0 and 1. It will, no, it is posy minus 1, 3. I should be less than posy minus 1. Should be 0 and 1 because it is 2. Okay. And okay, I understand now what it is trying to say. I have not started this. Okay, nothing is wrong. For int equal equals to 0, I can say posy minus 1. Okay. Posy equal minus 1. I can say, but why it is taking 0? If pose equals to 0, head equals to head next. If pose is 0, if pose equals to 0, let's say I have to. remove the first value. Ah, key. Let's say if my pose is zero, if I have to remove the first value, then how I will remove this? Because it will not run. Okay. If pose equals to zero, then how I will, uh, let's say it will move head equals to head next. Okay. It can take head here. Head is there, then pre equals to prime. It will not work. I'm getting confused in this. So zero, then I can say head will point to head next. Okay. So while my head is pointing towards this, then I can say head next, first head next. Okay, okay. I can learn from this. Just give me 1 second. Okay, is equals to previous next. Okay. Int, not previous, but int I equals to zero. I next, but pose is I have to use head node here. I have to use some word. Okay. Equals to zero. Then head equals to head next. Obviously, previous will move. Previous will show me head. Okay. Previous will move. Previous will point towards head. In this, let's say previous comes here. Getting confused. Let's say there is two values. I have to remove this node 2. Suppose it will become suppose is 2 or 0. Its position is 1. No, its position is 2. Position minus 1. So it suppose minus 1. So it will work two times. Okay. So it will, okay. It will move here. Previous next क्या है? I'm getting confused, bro. Previous, my previous is head. Previous equals previous next. So previous is, let's say it has given me position 3. August 15. Position is 3. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 12, 14, 5, 10, 15, 12, 14, 5, 10, 15, 12, 14. Node value is given 15. I have to remove this. So its position is, let's say its position is 3. Okay. So let's say how it will move. Is saying previous first to previous to next. Let's say first is 0 and then previous will go from here to here. Previous from 0. From 1 it will go from here to here. 0 here, 1 here, and it will work only till 1. Okay. And once my previous comes here, 15 equals to previous, then I can say I have to remove this value. Okay. So I can, sorry, node equals to 12. I am mistaken. Once my previous value is 15, I can say 15 will points towards next. So 15 will skip 12 and go to 14. Okay, now I understand what it is trying to say. Okay, let's say previous was 2, it will move towards one next position. Okay, if there is 3 position, let's say here I have to delete this value, so it has to point here. So it will move 2 times. Okay, 0. No, it will move only 2 times, only 0 and 1, 2 times. Okay, plus to previous. Next. Okay, and I can say if equals to if if x equals to if next return. What I have to return here? I have to return something. Huh? Let's remove this value. No, sorry. The equals to head. Obviously, why it is doing wrong? Okay, so I cannot take head. So I will reach value. Let's say I can reach value by this for and equals to 0. I is less than. Now I'm not knowing the node without add. But node is a value. হ্যাঁ, তোমার 1 ঘন্টা লাগবে তো? কি? কি এখন যাব না পরে? লিস্ট কাউন্ট अरे यार काउंट 0 5 front of it. Oh यार, let's say I've taken int node equals to current. Yeah, I can do this also. While current is not equals to node, let's say while my current is not equals to node, current moves by 1 point. Okay, cur equals to cur next and pose equal plus plus. Now it should work. Eh, just tell me what I am doing wrong. Oh my god, why have not think of this? Why I'm so miserable? I cannot think this. This is so lame. Lame. What it is in this, I know. What node value is given here. So node value, I should remove the node value. Okay. Copy the value of the next node. Okay. Copy the value of the next node. Okay. So I have to copy this value into one. Okay. Node. Well, next. Let's say my node is আচ্ছা আমি ৮টায় যাবো আমি চলে যাবো ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে let's say my node value is now storing this one value. Okay, so what I should do is okay. Now I can say is my node next. Just to node next. Is it okay? I cannot think of this answer. I think this is one of the easiest questions, but I have done just C plus plus. Give me answer of C plus plus. Anuj and C, no. Which star was in Python JavaScript and character? Let's say my next node next, okay. Node value equals to, okay, I can say delete next node, okay. Next node equals to node next. Okay, delete node, I have to remove this value only. Then this one node is star next node equals to node next. Okay, node value is to node and next value. Okay, it is storing the next value because I have to remove this node. Then my node next contain. Okay, let's say my node. Copy Then we copy the value of the next node, okay, to the current node. Then I can say it is directly pointing towards this. Okay, so I understand. So it is trying to say it's I can copy this value here and directly point towards this and also delete this value. Okay, I can do this. List node star next equals to node. Let's say it is trying to store next value. Then I can say delete next. This is such an useful answer I have gotten. Yeah, I will do this afterwards. Was one of the best questions. I think it was so easy, but it was so difficult for me because I cannot think of this minimal answer. Sorted list. 3, 3, 1, 2, 4. We are given the head of the two sorted linked list. Merge the two sorted linked list in one sorted list. This should be together the nodes of the first list. What it goes from one, then one, two. How? So there are two list givens. I have to make, just give me some hint. Merge two linked lists from them using a dummy node. Track the head and two pointer. The connection is modern sorted out. There is a starting point of the new list and a current pointer. This is the head of the host list. Append the node with the smaller value. The current node. Okay. Advance the conflict until one list is exhausted. If list one key value is less than equals to list value. How to make a dummy node? Values are not list one value is less than equal to current or nothing list one. As current or next equals to Well, if to this was also a serious question. Why I'm not able to do this? But why it is going to dummy next? Why it is returning dummy next? Just return dummy. Why return dummy dot next? Dot dummy. Okay, so I am actually storing the value in dummy. Let's say current equals to dummy. First value actually not was attached to the dummy name, but it is getting attached to that attached to current. Yes, it attached to current, but in the pointing to the same node at the start. Okay, so current is moving one by one, but dummy is here only. Okay, oh, it's that's so sorted list. Okay, come on. Come on, my friend, come on. Let's do this. Let's see the power of. First, I have to make a dummy node. Okay, the dummy node is list node dummy zero. Okay, list node dummy zero zero. Okay, okay. List node start current. Use this if you need the dummy to pursue for different one. Dummy is plus plus. Okay, so I put point. I should not see the answer was current. It is pointing to dummy and dummy. Okay. That- Less than equals to है क्या? Equals to क्यों लगाना है? अच्छा ठीक है समझ गया. List on value less than this. this uh, कर का नेक्स्ट होगा इसको पॉइंट करेगा. ठीक है. Okay. So use this to call this to while current will move to list one. करूंगा इस बताऊंगा पता है. Once this happens, current will move to next. Okay. If होगा क्या? क्या? One more point where else next will want to list to. Okay, it is okay. They return me dummy next. So I have to use dot here because it is a dummy node. So guys, I am ending this video right here. I think I have done today's two question and I've taken the help of answers from the board. I think full answer I have taken from the AI or you can say Google. Tomorrow I will um, record in the morning. So let's end this video right here. Now my next objective. So I want to say that I will do streams from morning only, record from morning only, and will upload videos daily. So thank you, friends, for watching this video till now. Let's stop it.